Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable and watch VR mode inside YouTube. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so first things first, got to head on over to YouTube. I've just typed in scary movie VR, so I just found a random VR video in YouTube. So now I'm going to click onto this one here. I'm just going to pause it. This demonstration. So to enable VR for any video inside YouTube, what you need to do is obviously go to the video like I've done. Then you want to click on the gear icon, top right hand corner, and then scroll down and click onto additional settings. Now from here, you'll see watch in VR. So go ahead and click on VR, and then you'll be brought to this page here, experience YouTube in VR. So place your phone in a VR headset for the best VR experience. Turn on high quality playback. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on continue, and then you're good to go.